How can I search subfolders using glob.glob module? I want to open a series of subfolders in a folder and find some text files and print some lines of the text files. I am using this. But this cannot access the subfolders as well. Does anyone know how I can use the same command to access subfolders as well?
In Python 3.5 and newer, use the new recursive functionality. When recursive is set, followed by a path separator matches 0 or more subdirectories. In earlier Python versions, glob.glob cannot list files in subdirectories recursively. In that case, I'd use os.walk combined with fnmatch.filter instead. This'll walk your directories recursively and return all absolute path names to matching.txt files. In this specific case, the fnmatch.filter may be overkill. You could also use a .ins with test.
There's a lot of confusion on this topic. Let me see if I can clarify it. Python 3.7. glob.glob.text, column matches all files ending in .text in current directory. glob.glob.text, column same as 1. glob.glob.text, column matches all files ending in .text in the immediate subdirectories only, but not in the current directory. glob.glob.text, recursive equals true, column same as 1. glob.glob.text, recursive equals true, column same as 3. glob.glob.text, recursive equals true, column matches all files ending in .text in the current directory and in all subdirectories. So it's best to always specify recursive equals true.
To find files in immediate subdirectories. For a recursive version that traverses all subdirectories, you could use and pass recursive equals true since Python 3.5. Both function calls return lists. You could use glob.glob to return paths one by one, or use pathlib. Both methods return iterators. You can get paths one by one.
The glob2 package supports wildcards and is reasonably fast. On my laptop it takes approximately 2 seconds to match 60,000 file paths.